G'day, it's Lester Sharples here. We've just arrived in Tamworth this morning after travelling down from our manufacturing facility in Brisbane with these 3 oversized loads for this new RR project in Tamworth. Included in these 3 loads is a 30 metre prefabricated service pit and a 25 metre prefab inspection pit, marking the commencement of this exciting new project for RR. RR are the Isuzu, Western Star, MAN and the New Holland dealer for this region, and we're proud to be delivering this project as part of this new facility. This week we're going to be working alongside Akura Constructions. They're a specialist known for delivering high quality solutions for developers and owner occupiers right across Australia. The next steps now is to have these pits unloaded here this afternoon and positioned on site. Then tomorrow we're going to be joining these pit sections together and prepare them from lowering into position on Wednesday. Once these pits are in place, we'll then commence our first stage concrete pour and lock them into position. This installation method is one of the key advantages of Levanta's prefabricated pit systems. It allows us to dramatically reduce on-site construction time. So from arrival on site through to the concrete backfilling, these pits then will be fully installed within just 3 days. We're now here, day 2, working with the Akura team. It's been a pleasure. The project team has been fantastic to work with. Everything from the crane coordination this morning to the guys on site has been absolutely fantastic. They've been good to work with. We're going to position these pits today and commence lowering them into position later this afternoon. Day 3, here we are. We'll then commence our first stage pour to lock these into position. Pits are then in position and the construction team are ready to start commencement of backfill up to finished floor level. If you're considering a new workshop build or expansion or a facility upgrade, I suggest you reach out to our team today. We're bringing the latest workshop pit innovation directly to projects across Australia and New Zealand. Thanks for watching, and we'll keep you updated as this project progresses.